Julio! Julio! What you doing, precious? Julio! What you doing? What you doing? That's pretty. What you doing? Oh, pretty Julio. Ooh. Oh, you're a wild man. You're a wild man. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What you doing? What you doing? I'm making you guys some macaroni. You hungry? You hungry? You want something to eat? You want something to eat? You Sugar's like, what the hell is that? What is that, chicken baby? Don't fly onto me, Julio. You're not very good at flying. We'll both get knocked out. Pretty. You're crazy man. Who's a crazy man? Where are you going, Julio? You want down? You want down? You want down? Well, you can come down. Come here. Come here. Woo! Woo! You want down? Come here. You can come down. Is that what you want? Okay, I'll let you down. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna go check out Kina. Kina's not impressed. Kina, stay back. He don't know you. What you doing, Julio? Kina, back off. He don't know you. Oh, come here. Come here. What you doing, Jules? What you doing? Gotta pick up that towel. Got to pick it up. Come here. Making you some spaghetti. You guys want some spaghetti? Where are you going? Oh, my lovely feet. Kina, back off. Thank you. What you doing, Holes? Hi, baby boy. I guess you would be the old man of the group, wouldn't you? Hi, Julio. Hi, Julio. You already put holes in my shirts, Julio. Someone's calling you. There's my piggies. There's my piggies. What you doing? Where are we going? You following me? Ah. Sugar's getting mad. Where are you going? What's over there? You can play on that for a minute, but that's going in the basement tonight, Mr. Man. Hopefully, my husband puts it in the basement. It's Miss Keena. Hi, Miss Keena. You just a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, Miss Keena. Julio's coming after you, Keena. Hi, Julio. Come here, Julio. Say bye-bye. 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 Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What you doing? Hi. We take out your biggie, 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 biggie. You're eating toes. You're eating toes. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Ow. 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 Okay, you'll take a scratch. Alright, time out. Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. Alright, say bye-bye. Alright, gotta check out the other footies. That tickles. That tickles.